Welcome to the Cloud Quote mobile app. This is the login screen where you'll enter your email address and password. These credentials are exactly the same as those used for the desktop application. Once your details are entered, simply select Sign In. After logging in, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. Here, you can view the number of leads assigned to you. If you are a user that requires approval permissions, you will see how many quotes are awaiting approval, as well as quotes currently in your pipeline. If you have managerial access, you can easily identify which quotes require approval from this view. Within the dashboard, if you have targets captured against your profile, you will be able to see them here as well. By selecting the three-line menu icon, you can see your user that is currently logged in, along with the company you have access to. From this menu, you can navigate to the dashboard, My Leads, the lead pool, if you have access, your pipeline, quotes to approve for managers, your reminders, newsfeed, and your clients. Under My Leads, you'll see all leads assigned to you as a user. By selecting a lead, this allows you to view detailed information associated with it. You also have the option to edit this information and save any updates as needed. In the bottom corner of the screen, you'll find the CRM Action button, represented by the plus icon. From here, you can add attachments, images, create reminders, notes, phone calls, schedule meetings, or perform a check-in. The check-in feature is especially useful when meeting clients at their premises. Now let's perform a check-in via the app. Simply enter a title, select the location icon to capture your current location automatically, add notes or attachments, and remember to select Add to Save. Returning to the navigation menu, you can access the lead pool if this security permission is enabled for you. Now moving into the pipeline section, you'll see all your quotes. You can search for a specific client, sort results by turnover, GP, client name, or quote number, and filter quotes by status: active, draft, approved, or pending. Under Reminders, you can view all reminders that are due and/or upcoming. Selecting a reminder allows you to edit it if necessary. The newsfeed displays team activity and is a great way for the team to stay connected, support each other, and provide updates. In the Client section, you can filter and select individual clients. Opening a client profile displays their contact details, and you can place a call directly from the app. The Location feature also allows you to navigate to the client's premises using their saved address. Within the Quotes section, you can view a client's quote history. Select the quote allows you to open it, view the PDF, and choose if you want to send the quote directly to your client via email or WhatsApp. You can also review contact details and view all activity linked specifically to that quote. And that concludes our mobile application tutorial, Cloud Quote Quick and Easy.